Hello everyone, welcome back to FX 20 Pips. Today is the 9th of May 2023. Um, Before I carry on to talk about the chart, let me just explain where I have been. Basically nowhere. All right, what happened was that my laptop sustained some damage to the audio components. I sent it off for repairs and it just take forever. And I only managed to get it back on I think was it last Saturday. And then I need to reconfigure certain things, so on and so forth. So anyway, here we are. So hopefully this time we can just keep going every day. All right, now today is the what are we? Tuesday. So I just try to do a recap on GBP on where the prices are currently. All right, before we go into the very lower time frame details. This one might take some time. I don't know, but I'm just all right. Go along. All right. So what we are looking at now is the 3-month chart. Okay, and we are looking at the GBP Um, you can see that seems to be going down. Okay, and that is what near 2006, 2007, 2008. Now we are not going to be bothered about this area here. All right. So let's just look at the last 3 months. This is a 3 months chart. So each candle is a 3 months candle, 3 months candle, and this is another 3 months candle. Right. So we just look at this last candle. All right. So this is from October 2022. 3 months will be like up to what is that? December? Is that how they calculate? Yep. So January to the March, and then we have March, January to March, then April to June. April, May, and June. So this current 3 months candle, all right, is you can see it's a bullish candle. It crossed above the previous high of the past 3 months, which is the last 6 months. Okay, all right. So what is the level over there? Let's hang on. So let's get this horizontal line. That was 1.24465. Okay, 1.26645 was the high of the previous 3 months candle. So it broke through that. It is still moving. It has not closed above yet. All right. So at one glance, you can see that this portion of the chart is bullish. Okay. Now let's go to lower time frame. Let's go to 1 month. Okay. 1 month. We are in the month of May. Candle close above the high of April. All right. There was a range market during these few months back. Is it March, February, January, December? All right. So the movement actually came from the April, and then now we are in May. Continuation. All right. Now, this was the low when Liz Truss was the prime minister. Make some economic decisions, and it soon recover. All right, and it's still going up. So the last 3 months is all bullish candle. Right, let's go to a week. Okay, so what we are looking at is last week. Okay, and then previous many weeks ago there was the dodgy candle. Okay, whatever name you want to call it, basically is the indecisive of buyer and seller, right, of this candle. Then the buyer seems to take root and more buyers come in, break through the high. Okay, when it break through the high, what happens here? Logically, seller are all getting ready to sell from this high, right? Buyers is also getting ready to take profit from here. Okay, so you can see that buyer and seller both take profit and take trades and cause the wick. All right, but then more buyers start to come in again, and last week was pretty bullish. Okay, now if you look to the left, okay, you can see that there is a resistance here. Let's draw it here. Okay, this figure is important. 1.26669 there about, right? If you go to the daily, okay, what happened yesterday? Yesterday, the price closed, not closed, the price reached a little bit on top there, cross 1.26669, and it come back down. All right, so this is a bearish candle yesterday. What you can deduce is buyers come in, buyers bring it above the high, okay, buyers attempt to go higher to reach this point. All right, they fail to do that. So yesterday, okay, buyers continue to push it up. The moment they touch this resistance, and seller comes in. All right, seller comes in and close at that level. So you can say that this is bullish, this is a little bit bullish, this is very bullish. Was there a continuation yesterday? No. All right, it merely hit the resistance and come down. So where did all these buyers go? They took profit. Reach here, all the buyer took profit. How do buyers take profit? They sell. So they have to become sellers. Now, a lot of sellers are also waiting at this level. What they are seeing is, ooh, maybe we are heading towards double top. Okay, so the moment price reach there, sellers come in. Right. So this is a natural expectation of the candlestick. All right. You want it to go up. You also want it to come down. Why? When it's come down, it's more healthy. It's a much better healthy bullish trend. Okay, you don't expect price to just shoot up in one candle or so many candle in a straight line. No. Okay, this is unhealthy for everyone. Right, this is what we want to see. Price go up, touch the resistance, come down. Now, how far does it wants to come down? We don't know. I don't know. Okay. I'm going to leave that at this stage here. Let me just go to the 8 hours. 8 hours. All right. If you look at the 8 hours, this was pretty clear also. Again, this candle is, you can call it undecisive candle, you can call it dodgy candle, whatever it is. Basically, buyer and seller comes in, all right? Buyers go up, seller come down, and we stop here. And then what happened next? There is a continuation of seller, right? Because everybody see, nobody knows what's going to happen here. I mean, they sort of know that it's going to come down, but they don't know how far it's going to come down, or maybe it's going to break. But what they saw was this undecisive candle. All right. Then more seller will say, well, if they can't break here, let's bring it down. So this candle, all right, close below this one. All right. Then this morning, another bearish candle here. A bit small. Well, it's Asia session, isn't it? Asia session is always low volume and all this thing. All right. So even though we have a bullish candle at this current 8 hours candle, which is 5 minutes, no, 5 hours left, right? We can see that the high haven't go above here or here. All right. So looking at the previous bearish candle, okay, and it's only yesterday that I hit the resistance. So this 8 hours, you still got 5 hours to maybe, all right, continuing the retracement. All right. So how far is it going to retrace? This is anybody's guess, but let's use the best method to determine. Let's use my range balls. Okay, 8 hours. All right, I'm going to box this one up. This is the candle that I want to box it up. All right, so I captured the price in the 8 hours chart in this area. So basically what happened is that, what I'm trying to say is that this is the previous biggest 8 hours candle. All right, the next 8 hours failed to close above the high here. Let me just remove the dot. There we go. Right, subsequent candle, even though you break the resistance, it closed below inside this candle. Then now all the candles are just floating within this box, right? So my point is, if the price is not reaching here, you don't look at buy. If the price is not reaching here, you don't look for sell. So basically, you sort of like, okay, I'm not going to do anything in between. Yeah. Okay. What I am trying to tell you is that if you want to go for scalping, you can do it here. You can sell from here all the way to the bottom, or you can buy from here all the way to the top. Okay, in this 8 hours time frame. Right. But if you are going for long term, all right, and you know that and you are aware that price is retracement, it's retracing after this resistance. So it's best to wait for it to go further down, okay, before you buy it up. Okay. Remember why I'm aiming for up? Because remember the 3 months candlestick that we're looking at. Okay, the 3 months were very bullish, so that's the higher time frame is bullish. So lower time frame we should also buy bullish. Okay, but we don't just buy at any point. No, we make use of this 8 hours candle. All right, you can only assume that price is going to drop up to here, down to here, and then I won't say you because I won't tell you what to do. Okay, to put a limit order here, just about here, so that when price come down, I'm expecting the price to hit here, take my trade, and then bring it up there. Okay, all right. I don't put a profit target here. There's no point because how do I know that it's going to stop there? All right, what happens if it just keep going up? Okay, but again, profit taking is up to you. Okay, I tell you what, the hardest part is taking profit. Trust me. Okay, the stop loss, you know where to put the stop loss, but take profit, you don't know where to take. Why? Because if you were to buy here, let's say you take profit here or take profit here, and what if it's go up? We wouldn't know, right? Okay, so we need to always manage our profit. And if the price is going your way, why do you close the trade? That's very important, all right? If the price is going your way, why do you close the trade? Okay, have a think about it. Anyway, let me just keep going on. Where are we? So that's the 8 hour box, okay? And I'm going to go back to the day, all right? So the same thing here. Day, I can draw another box, which is, this could be, let me see. I give you an example why I choose K. Let's say I select this as a day candle, okay? It wouldn't make sense, right? It wouldn't make sense because, let me show you, just hang on. If I were to draw this as the day box, okay, I can explain it this way. Price, I'm expecting price to range within this box, but the next candle went up. Okay, the first candle exits the box. Okay, I used to always say, and I'm still saying that you must see where the second candles are. So this is the second candle. The second candles, the second day candle is already out of this box. Okay, so it makes this box to be useless. All right. If this second candle is to come back down, yeah, then I will still maintain this box. All right. Therefore, because of this day candle that's already exit this box, so I'm not going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to remove this one. Give me a minute. Okay, so I'm just going to use this one. This is the day candle. I'm going to use. All right. So here it will make more sense. We are still within this day candle range. Okay, no candle close above, and we are still inside here. How is it compared to the 8 hours? Okay, 8 hours have a higher what call it, higher low here. Okay, so this is your expectation. If you put a limit order here, okay, expect, you should also expect it might come down further, right? So these are some things that you need to take note of, right? Okay, let's go into the straight into the 1 hour. Remember some of the things that we draw? Hopefully you have been watching my previous video. So this is the separation of the trading days, right? All this line. Okay, so now what I want to do is to find the highest level and lowest level of yesterday chart. Okay, so here I am. This is today. This is yesterday. Yesterday highest was here, so I draw a line here. I call it previous day high. I, this is yesterday. Yesterday low was here, right? The highest was here. The lowest was here, and I call it previous day low. I use a fib, high and low. I get a 50% here. I draw another line roughly. Okay, that's roughly about here. Okay, if you can see, it is 1.26408. If you want, you can hide candles. Right, 1.26408. If you are very OCD, you want to put in the figures, go ahead. 1.26408 is the midpoint. Okay, so I change it for it. Previous day midpoint. Right. I remove the fit. I don't need it anymore. I get back the candle. Okay, why do I draw that? I draw that just so that you can know that the price, you can see, try to go above yesterday midpoint, okay, in this 1 hour chart, okay, but seems to fail, okay, at this moment it seems to fail. And what time are we at now? We are 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. This is London. London has opened, okay, so it has failed to go past the midpoint, okay. It doesn't mean I take any more action here. No, it just give me an awareness where the price is. Okay, because I look at the 3 months, I look at the monthly, weekly. Then now I'm at the 1 hour. You know, I need to know as comparing the price currently, how is it compared to yesterday? Okay, At this stage, in a lower time frame, I only interested in what happened yesterday. Okay, comparing to yesterday, right? Yes. Okay, what else do I want to tell you? Uh, I don't want to bring the video too long. How long are we? No, it's 20 minutes, just to draw a box and draw these few lines. Okay. We can, if, like what I say, this is the 8 hours zone. This is the day. Okay. This is the 8 hours, right? And then we have the day zone, which we mark up earlier on. Okay. I'm quite reluctant to buy now. Okay, because I know that price might come further down here. So I'd rather buy here for it to go up. Okay, so that's my point. That's why you need to be patient. Okay, I think some of you will see that, oh my God, this is a bullish candle. Maybe we should just start and buy. Okay, well, it is a bullish candle, no doubt. Okay, it crossed over so many candles. All right, but the point is, the next candle, the point is, if you look at it carefully, it did not even cross the midpoint of yesterday. Right, so don't get tricked to it. These are levels that you need to identify. Okay, to give you more information. I can only say what I see. Basically, this 1 hour chart, there's a bullish in from the Frankfurt market, but then there is no continuation. Okay, no continuation of the bullish candle. Right, immediately the candles go down. Right, okay, immediately the candles go down when the London open. Okay, this is we still got 44 minutes to go. Of course, it can become a weak and then just shoot up. All right, but at this stage, we're looking at the facts of the case, which is bearish. All right, so no point buying. Now, you can also draw. Remember my breakout buy and sell zone. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna just stick it close to here. Oh, where am I? No, no, hang on. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna just put it here. Draw this thing here. Breakout buy. So today, okay, I can name it as breakout sell. Okay, so if you're scalping, then if I am scalping, okay, I must always remember that I'm not telling you what to do. Okay, I'm only telling you, showing you what I am doing. Okay, I'm not telling you to buy or sell it. No, 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 no. You do your own decision, make your own decision. Now, if I am scalping, okay, and if it tends to break out buy, okay, then I might just maybe go for a quick buy here and maybe sell here. All right. Now, if the price keep going down for a sell, okay, do I want to sell here? No, I don't want, because I am looking for the higher time frame, which is for price to go up. Okay, so I'm definitely not selling. I'm looking for the best price for me to buy. Right? Can it come to sell and then just go up? Yeah, it can be, but again, I am more comfortable relying on this 8 hours candle. All right, that's my idea. I have sort of a change to a very high time frame, and it should also suit those of you that are working. If you're working, you've got no time to scout the market, right? That's where you need to make use of this 8 hours box zone, right? So if you're working during lunchtime, you look at this now. You're like, nah, I'm not going to do anything. Okay, it is in between the high of the 8 hours and low of the 8 hours. Okay, well, it's a 50% chance to go up or come down. So what's the point? Don't waste your money, all right? But then you need to draw this thing, draw the box, just to know where price is. Okay, to give you an idea. All right, to make yourself more confidence and know that, okay, price is coming down, but I'm expecting to go up. Right. So, okay, what else? We are already, how long? 24 minutes into the video. Okay, today is my first day back, and I think we'll just leave it here. All right, and tomorrow maybe I'll talk about something else, or I'll keep repeating this thing, because you need to keep doing this to perfect your skills. All right, so that's how I trade. That's how I look at things, and if I have the same method, all right, just going to give you the same consistent result all the time. Okay. Again, if I am scalping, I might sell if the first candle break up, the second candle consistently out, then I might, if I'm scalping, okay, then I might sell here all the way to maybe here and see how far I can go down, right? But again, like what I say, higher time frame is up, so I'm not going to waste time. Okay. All right. Okay, I think let me wrap up here before I keep talking about other non-relevant things. Okay. All right. Okay. One more thing. Let's draw a fib. Okay. If you want the lowest of this point, come up to here. Let's find my fib. Let's go to here. Right. Or you can draw another fib here from here up to here. So some of the points that I might buy. Okay. I might put a small amount here on 70.6. I might. And if it's very bearish, I won't put here. But I'll put a few limit order here, limit order here. Okay, and then I see what's the reaction at this CN60. Right, and you see this week here, it line up perfectly with 7.6. That's at 1.24855. That drops a lot. Okay, if it's going to drop a lot here. Okay, but we shall see. All right, if you want to trade higher time frame, that's what you're going to do. All right, I haven't even go into the details of 5 minutes how you're going to take a trade. Okay, and but just by looking here, okay, just by looking here, like what I say, see, price is still coming down, right? So there's no point to buy. Okay, so just quickly to summarize, okay, we look at the 3 months. Each candle is 3 months is bullish. We went down to a monthly candle. Last 3 months was bullish. In fact, see, all these are bullish even with this bearish candle. Just doesn't bring price any further down. Okay, and finally, that's where we are. That is 1 hour. Okay, people. So we shall stop here for today. It's a long time since I do this YouTube video. I think the last one was February. All right, so I'm just going to take it easy now, and I hope to see you tomorrow again. All right, goodbye, everyone. Thank you for listening in.